Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Alluring and adventurous, it's ready to cater to your daring nature. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect. A veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.